Have you ever taken the perfect photo only to have it ruined by a random person walking into the background? Or maybe a stray car? Or a power line you didn't even notice? We've all been there. It's frustrating. But what if I told you there's a super simple, free tool that can make those unwanted objects vanish like they were never there? No expensive software, no complicated tutorials. I'm talking about Nano Banana. So, what is Nano Banana? It's a powerful, user-friendly AI tool that lets you edit your photos with a simple command. Think of it like this. Instead of spending hours with a cloning tool in Photoshop, you just tell Nano Banana what you want to remove, and it does the hard work for you. It's especially brilliant for those simple shots where you just want to clean up the background. You don't need to be a pro editor to get professional results. Let's jump right into the process. It's incredibly straightforward. Step 1 is to get your photo ready. I found this photo of Hollywood star Jason Momoa photobombing a couple's wedding photography session. I am sure having a Hollywood star in your wedding photos will be amazing and fun, but not when random strangers ruin it. Step 2 is to go to www.aistudio.google.com and click the Try Nano Banana option from the list. Then upload the photo to the chat interface. Step 3 is to give your command. This is the magic part. In the chat box, you'll type a simple, clear instruction. For this photo, I'll type something like, "Please remove the man in the background holding the trident and his reflection from the photo." The more specific you are, the better the result. Hit enter, and Nano Banana's AI will get to work. It usually takes just a few seconds. Look at that! The photobomber is gone and the background looks completely natural. It's like Jason Momoa was never there. You can see how seamless the result is. This is a game changer for anyone who wants to quickly clean up their shots without a steep learning curve. Nano Banana is a fantastic tool for quick fixes and simple edits. It's perfect for casual photographers and creators who want to make their images pop without the fuss. If you liked this video, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video, so more people who are looking to remove objects from photographs can learn how to do it using Nano Banana. Thank you, and I will see you in another video.